One of the great features of Google Forms is that you can change the theme to make it look exactly how you want it to. Right now I'm in the Edit Questions mode, so I can't really tell exactly how my form is going to look. Once I click on View Live Form, then that will show me a view of how my form would appear if I were to send it out to people. So I'm going to change the theme. I start that by clicking on the Change Theme button right here. Now there are some basic default themes that are included. You can click on one of those and you can customize each theme if there's just a few things you want to change. Otherwise, if you want to start from scratch, I'll click on the default one and I'll click Customize. Now there's lots of different options that you can change when you want to edit your theme. I'll start by adding an image, but you can also change the title up here, the descriptions, the questions, the options, the form background, the page background, basically any part of the form you can change. So I'm going to click on Header Image. I'll choose an image. I have one here. Now there are some of them that are in here, so I can click on Sports and Games. There are Sports and Games images, wedding. So there are lots of different options, but I'm going to click on Upload so I can have my own, and then we'll add that right to the form. Now there's a little bit of white space here. If I click Fit to Width, then it makes it go all the way to the edge of the form. So that's adding an image. Now the rest of this is pretty much the same. For example, if I click on Title, it allows me to change the text, whether it's bolded, the size of the text, the color of the text, and then how it's justified, whether it's left, center, or to the right. So for me, I'm going to change the title here. One of the things that I found kind of useful is this little color Pic Eyedropper extension. It allows me to mouse over something, so I'm going to go over the green of this soccer ball. I'm going to click on that, and then it gives me this exact color. So I'll copy that color, and then when I go into the title, I'll click Custom for the color, and then I'll just replace this. I'll paste in the new color, and then this green will match that green, which can help make your form look a bit more professional. Or if you sometimes you might want to match the form background to the header or the image. So you can do that doing it that way as well. So all of these other options are pretty similar. Now the form background, which is what is white here, I can change that to be a different color. I'll just make it gray just so you can see the change. But so you can change that to be a different color as well. And then the page background, you can either make a color or a picture. So right now it has these lines, so I could change that to a different picture, or I could just remove it, and then once you remove it, so you have the option of making it a color as well if you'd like to. So as you can see, you can change and customize quite a bit to make your form look exactly how you'd like it to look.